This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 38, Resilience. Resilience is the ability to adapt and thrive despite adversity and stress, involving effective performance under pressure and the capacity to bounce back. There are 4 fundamental assumptions underpinning resilience. It requires social-emotional skills for adaptation. Social bonding facilitates learning behaviors, risk factors increase vulnerability, and protective factors promote resilience. Resilient individuals possess purpose, perseverance, optimism, self-reliance, and authenticity, enabling them to overcome challenges, maintain positivity, and find possibilities in life. Strategies for promoting resilience span prevention of risks and stressors, asset-focused approaches, process strategies like building self-efficacy, mobilizing resources post-disaster, and nurturing adaptive bonds. Resilience has biological roots linked to stress management, with psychological experiences shaping brain structure and functioning, and nurturing environments supporting resilience through neurobiological pathways. In essence, resilience enables adaptation to adversities by drawing on social-emotional skills, core qualities like purpose and optimism, and strategies spanning prevention, assets, processes, and post-disaster aid, all underpinned by nurturing environments that foster resilience. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.